When it comes to survival, having the right knife can mean the difference between life and death. In this next part of our 10 Ultimate Survival Knives on Amazon 2025 series, we've handpicked a selection of the most rugged, reliable, and battle-tested blades. These knives are built for extreme conditions. Whether you're braving the wilderness, facing tactical challenges, or preparing for the unexpected. From heavy-duty bushcraft tools to tactical combat knives, each one is designed to handle the toughest situations. If you're looking for the best survival blades to add to your gear, let's dive into this next-level lineup. The Gerber Terracraft is a rugged, full-tang survival knife designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted in the USA, this knife features a 4-inch S3OV stainless steel blade, offering exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its drop-point design ensures versatility, making it ideal for tasks like wood processing, food prep, and shelter building. The black oxide finish reduces glare and enhances durability, while the high grind allows for precision cutting. One of its standout features is the G10 handle, which provides a secure grip even in wet conditions. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing hand fatigue in demanding environments. It also comes with a premium leather sheath for convenient carry. Built for reliability in extreme conditions, the Gerber Terracraft is a knife you can trust when survival is on the line. Whether you're in the backcountry or facing an emergency, this blade won't let you down. The ESEE Model 5 is a beast of a survival knife, built for hardcore outdoor and tactical use. Designed with input from U.S. military SEER instructors, this knife is made to withstand extreme survival conditions. It features a 5-point to 5-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade with a tough powder-coated finish, ensuring durability, excellent edge retention, and resistance to harsh environments. The 0-point to 5-inch thick full-tang construction makes it incredibly tough, capable of batoning through wood, prying, and other heavy-duty tasks. Its micarta handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, while the extended pommel can be used as a glass breaker or hammer. The knife comes with a kydex sheath with a belt clip, ensuring easy and secure carry. Whether you're an outdoor survivalist, military personnel, or bushcraft enthusiast, the ESEE Model 5 is built to handle anything you throw at it. The LionSteel M7 is a high-performance survival and combat knife, crafted for those who demand reliability in extreme conditions. This Italian-made fixed blade features a 7-inch Sleipner steel blade, known for its exceptional toughness, edge retention, and wear resistance. The satin, or black-coated finish enhances its durability and gives it a rugged look. With a full-tang construction and a 0.2-inch thick spine, the M7 is built for serious chopping, batoning, and survival tasks. The ergonomic handle, made from either micarta or G10, ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. The well-balanced design provides excellent control, making it ideal for both precise cuts and heavy-duty use. It comes with a kydex and Cordura hybrid sheath, offering versatility in carry options. Whether you're tackling outdoor adventures, bushcraft, or tactical operations, the LionSteel M7 is a powerhouse that blends cutting-edge materials with expert craftsmanship. The cold steel drop-forged Survivalist is a rugged, full-tang fixed-blade knife designed for extreme survival situations. Forged from a single piece of 50 to 1100 high-carbon steel, this knife is incredibly tough, offering excellent durability, edge retention, and resistance to impact. The 6.75-inch clip-point blade provides exceptional cutting power, making it ideal for tasks like batoning, chopping, and fine slicing. With a black powder-coated finish, the Survivalist offers added protection against corrosion and wear. Its ergonomic handle is seamlessly integrated into the design, featuring a skeletonized structure for a secure and balanced grip. The knife comes with a SecureX sheath, allowing for safe and convenient carry. Whether you're in the wilderness, on a tactical mission, or prepping for emergencies, the cold steel drop-forged Survivalist is a no-nonsense tool built to withstand the toughest conditions. The Top Silent Hero 4 is a compact yet powerful fixed-blade knife designed for versatility in survival, tactical, and bushcraft applications. With a 4-point to 5-inch drop-point blade crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel, this knife delivers excellent toughness, edge retention, and reliability in harsh conditions. The Sniper Gray coating not only adds a rugged aesthetic, but also provides extra corrosion resistance. One of its standout features is the ergonomic black micarta handle, which ensures a secure grip even in wet or challenging environments. The knife's full-tang construction enhances durability, making it ideal for tasks like carving, slicing, and light chopping. It comes with a high-quality leather sheath for convenient carry and quick access. Built as a smaller version of the original Top Silent Hero, this knife is perfect for those who want a more compact yet equally capable survival tool. Whether you're in the wild or on duty, the Silent Hero 4 is a dependable companion. The Benchmade Anonimus is a premium fixed-blade survival knife designed for those who demand reliability in extreme conditions. Featuring a 5-inch drop-point blade crafted from CPM Crewware steel, it offers outstanding edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for demanding outdoor and survival tasks. The gray CRKT finish further enhances durability while reducing glare. Designed with functionality in mind, the Anonimus boasts a lightweight yet strong G10 handle with a textured grip, ensuring comfort and control even in wet or slippery conditions. The full-tang construction adds strength, making it capable of batoning wood, feather sticking, and other survival techniques. For easy carry, it includes a Kydex sheath with a ferro rod attachment, reinforcing its role as a survivalist's essential tool. Whether you're in the wilderness or preparing for any unexpected situation, the Benchmade Anonimus is a high-performance survival knife that won't let you down. Inspired by the swift and lethal Serpent, the cold steel taipan dagger embodies precision, strength, and tactical excellence. Designed by Lynn C. Thompson, this blade merges the elegance of a traditional dagger with modern durability to excel in outdoor adventures and tactical scenarios. Crafted with Take-Fu VG1 steel, the 7.5-inch spear point blade delivers exceptional penetration and slashing power while resisting breakage under pressure. Its razor-sharp twin edges maximize versatility, perfect for quick cuts, thrusts, or sweeping arcs. The tapered Creighton handle, with a flattened oval cross-section, offers a secure grip in any weather condition, ensuring unmatched control. At 13 inches overall and weighing 10.8 ounces, the taipan balances agility and power. Paired with a durable leather sheath, it's ready for every mission. Whether you're exploring rugged terrains or honing survival skills, the taipan stands as the ultimate blade. Step into modern tactical precision with the SOG Pentagon FX, a fixed-blade masterpiece engineered for today's warfighters and adventurers. Featuring a robust Cyro CP MS3 5VN steel blade, this double-edged dagger delivers razor-sharp performance and superior toughness for hard-use scenarios. Its black titanium night ride finish enhances durability and stealth, while the full-tang construction ensures reliability in critical moments. The Pentagon FX is all about adaptability. Its removable G10 handles provide a secure grip, but can be stripped down for a slimmer, more agile profile. Paired with the next-gen universal mounting system, the Gurn sheath allows you to customize retention, mounting angle, and carry method to suit any mission. Measuring nearly 10 inches long with precision-crafted materials, the Pentagon FX isn't just a tool, it's a statement of readiness. Equip yourself with a blade that redefines versatility, strength, and tactical innovation. The Extrema ratio Fulcrum C stands as a testament to Italian craftsmanship, combining brutal efficiency with tactical innovation. Designed for military use, this compact powerhouse is a shortened version of the original Fulcrum, ensuring portability without compromising strength. Its blade, made from Baller Un 690 steel with a durable MILC 139-4 black finish, is crafted to withstand the harshest conditions. The Tonta-style blade offers incredible piercing power, while its thick spine ensures exceptional durability even in the toughest situations. The ergonomic handle, made of forprene, provides a secure and comfortable grip, ideal for extended use. A reliable sheath system enhances its functionality, allowing for versatile carry options. Trusted by armed forces worldwide, the Fulcrum C is not just a knife, it's a survival tool engineered for performance in combat and extreme environments. Its robust design and unwavering reliability make it one of the most dangerous knives in the world. The CRKT Provoke redefines innovation with its futuristic karambit design and unique engineering. Inspired by ancient combat tools, but equipped with modern technology, this knife stands out with its distinctively aggressive appearance and functionality. What sets the Provoke apart is its kinematic opening mechanism. Unlike traditional folding knives, the blade deploys forward with a simple push of your thumb, offering rapid one-handed operation. This makes it an excellent choice for tactical situations where speed and efficiency are crucial. Crafted from D to steel, the blade provides exceptional edge retention and toughness, while the anodized aluminum handle ensures a lightweight yet durable grip. Designed for self-defense and tactical use, the ergonomic finger loop allows for secure handling in high-stress scenarios. The CRKT Provoke isn't just a knife, it's a statement of cutting-edge innovation, making it a deadly and reliable tool for those who demand performance in the field.